Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are excited to present an important initiative by Mpehlo Mfundo Foundation. Our foundation is dedicated to supporting students, particularly those from rural and financially disadvantaged backgrounds, by providing sustainable funding and holistic support. In this presentation, we will outline our mission, the resources available to students, and how you can benefit from our program. The Mpehlo Mfundo Foundation is committed to improving education outcomes, especially for matric students. We offer recorded classes on key subjects that you, the viewers, choose. Our goal is to make learning accessible and effective, starting from early childhood, with a strong focus on mathematics, as the research shows that a solid foundation is critical for success. Our core values include sustainable funding, holistic support, and community development. We provide reliable, ongoing financial assistance to students, covering not just tuition fees, but also essential needs like textbook, accommodation, and living expenses. By investing in education, we aim to drive positive change and sustainable growth in rural communities. To further enhance educational support, Mpehlo Mfundo Foundation has hired mathematics teachers to offer extra classes, which will be recorded and uploaded to our YouTube channel. We encourage interactions with the viewers. The viewers can participate by indicating which subjects and sections they want covered. Our aim is to make education engaging and tailored to your needs. We also guide students in applying to various South African universities. We've compiled a comprehensive list of institutions along with their application dates and links, making the process easier for students to apply. We strongly encourage matriculants to apply to as many institutions as possible to increase their chances of admission, and we also encourage students to apply to as many bursary schemes as possible to increase their chances of success, which includes NSFAS. In conclusion, by subscribing to our YouTube channel and engaging with our content, you're not just investing in your own future, but also in the betterment of your community. Together we can create a brighter future for everyone. Please visit our website or follow us on our social media platform for more information. Please do not forget to subscribe, and we thank you.